exposed to virus. Is that okay with you? Okay, I will remove it. Maayong hapon, kanatong tanan.
Pardon, sir.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Alhamdulillah. First, I would like to express our gratefulness. With me is Colonel Valdez, the Deputy of Task Force Davao. And I have with me some of my station commanders, especially Task Station 2, San Pedro, to answer some of your queries. We want to extend our gratefulness with you for coming. I know you've been waiting for this press con. But I have to tell you that we deemed it proper for us to do the follow-up operations before we address your questions, which is more appropriate today. So since the time that it was perpetrated, I think it was February 26, and today is March 6. So how many days now? It's been 1 week. It's been 1 week and 1 day to be exact. So we will be presenting with you things that we have done, things that we are about to do, and the ways forward, and that will be shown on the screen. So I will not entertain questions yet because those questions might be answered by our PowerPoint presentation. I will not mention the participation of the agreed parties here for some security reasons. So, with your indulgence, well, I have to greet also the members of the press and the media. You know yourselves one by one. I cannot greet you one by one. You are too many. So, with your indulgence, may I go directly to the PowerPoint presentation. So, please turn your videos and cameras to the screen. Yeah. I will do it slowly para maintindihan ninyo yung Ilocano English ko. I'm sorry, hindi ako masyadong magaling na speaker, but the presentation, the PowerPoint presentation will speak for itself. Today is March 6, 2025. We'll be showing it with you the actions taken and significant updates Rehan's pawn shop robbery incident. Next slide. Well, it should be, the presentation is supposed to be confidential, but I will say this presentation is not confidential. Kasi I'm sure kayo maglalag na kayo ngayon, iba, and it will be shown maybe 2 hours from now, it will be shown over the media. So it's no longer confidential. Next. On February 26, 2025, at 9:50 a.m., at the place of Hans Pawn Shop in Luz de France, Barangay 3A, Davao City, at least 8 armed individuals robbed said pawn shop and carted away jewelries amounting to more or less 40 to 100 million. Galing mo, yung bilis. Tandaan natin. Nandun yung mga photos dyan. Nandun yung photo ng mga perpetrators armed with assault rifle, that's M16 rifle, at yung mga recoveries. Next slide. The suspects, they are members of the Tolentino criminal gang, a splinter group of the notorious Osamis robbery holdup group. I say again, they are members of the Tolentino criminal gang, a splinter group of the notorious Osamis robbery holdup group. Sila yung mga perpetrators ng mga series of LBC robberies sa Metro Manila, Rocal Zone. Well, I'm referring to the National Capital Region and Cebu. That's Region 7. They have perpetrated close to 15 LBC outlets ang mga na rob na nila. So, imagine that makapag-practice na sila ng